In this video, we will explain in brief what the Fourier transform of an image is and what some of its applications are. So, what is the Fourier transform? To explain that in detail, we would have to go through a fair bit of math, which we're not going to do right now. In short, it's a way of mapping a signal into its frequency domain. What this means for an image using the 2D Fourier transform is to convert the various pixel intensities of the image into a set of frequencies of the different intensities. This may still sound convoluted, but if we look at a brief example, it will become more clear. Looking at the image on the left, we can see that there is a clear pattern of pixel intensities, namely a pattern of vertical stripes. This means that there is a signal of pixel intensity of very particular frequencies going from left to right in the image. As we can see on the right, which is the 2D Fourier transform of the image, there is a clear representation of these frequencies running left to right. If we were to transform an image of diagonal stripes instead, it would look like this. This also demonstrates that the image not only contains a clear diagonal pattern of intensities, but also an equally strong pattern both vertically and horizontally. Let's also do the transform of a depiction of Fourier himself. Here we can see that there are no very clear irregularities, other than perhaps a faint pattern running from left to right, slightly diagonally. Being able to do this has many applications. For example, it is useful as a method of removing random noise from images. Take this image from the lunar orbiter, for example. Here we can clearly see that there is a pattern of regular noise running from top to bottom, presumably where the image has been joined. The transformed image on the right shows this pattern very clearly, and simply by cutting away the troublesome frequencies and then doing the inverse transform, we can get back the image with much of the noise removed. It can also be used for feature extraction in general by finding common patterns in what the Fourier transforms of images of different things look like, which can be useful in areas like machine learning, but also many others.